Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Grace and your beautiful favorite, girl Chima. Yeah, into this tutorial, we are back again with another hair tutorial. So, into this tutorial, we're going to show you how we achieve this beautiful hairstyle. This hairstyle is good for you whether you know how to braid, don't know how to braid, you don't even know need to get any skills to get this hairstyle. So, let's just jump right into it. First and first, you need to part your hair into 4 sections. The sections are going to be the help your guide to this to the sections you're about to make, or to this hairstyle we're about to make. I think I hear them call it, is a hollow, crown braid or whatever. But this time, we always do our things different. We always switch around. We always do unique things in this channel. So this time we're going to be doing this on our natural hair. We're not going to add no extension to it, apart from having like 2 side braids and the bead in it, just to look like the Fulani hairstyle. But other than that, we're just going to jump right into it and do everything is going to be our natural hair. So the things you need for this hairstyle is quite simple. Of course, you need your braiding extension, you need your shine and jam, you need your combs, of course, why not? And then you actually need your what gel. I know my holy drill, my holy grail is gummy hair gel. So, and then you need your brush, of course. So when you part the hair into 4 sections, you're going to start from the middle and just give yourself a slanted, well, I say from the eyebrow, just give a slant like a triangle shape downwards. I happen to do this just 2 sections for the front, and for the front I just did 4, but the back I did like either 3 at the back or 4 at the back, I don't know. But I'm going to show you what I did, so you guys will just go through it. So when you get your section, just to make it so that it will be sleek and beautiful, you can add your shine and jam. But this time around, I'm adding my gummy hair gel, and I brush it down and use my rubber band to hold the hair in place. So the con of it is that you need to get a very strong rubber band to hold this. If not, your hair, you might see the rubber bands breaking up, and it's not going to look so good after all your effort. You're seeing things not working, getting spoiled, like it's going to hurt you a lot. So yeah, so you see how I'm parting it? I'm just making sure you could see the middle. It's just so clean and so beautiful. Just part it that way. Start from the middle and then give it a very straight line. It's just very easy. I mean, it's very easy to do this part. Very easy. Just watch what I do, and definitely you're going to get exact result. You can even make it more smaller, you can make it more bigger, you can make it even more fancier by braiding it. You can just do your freestyle, your own thing. We did our own freestyle, and it's always like that, y'all. So this hairstyle literally took me about 10 minutes to finish. Like, it's very easy, and Chima stood through it. It was no tension at all on her hair. She just enjoyed the whole process. And now let's get down to the main part, which is where we're going to the styling. So first of all, you can see how I'm styling it. You get your hair, make sure you detangle it real good, get the tip, get a rubber band, and then band, hold the tip. You connect it to the next one, like that, to the next section you already created with your rubber band. And like I said, make sure you have if you want to double the rubber band or triple the rubber band, please do. Or you get a stronger rubber band to actually get through this process, because it's really the beauty of this hair. Once your rubber band breaks on you, girl, you just have to redo the whole style. That is the one thing about it. So after that, you just you puff it out, get the shape, make it, if you want it more bigger or fluffier, you can actually do that. And in order to get the hair really slippery like this, I use the Cantu leave-in conditioner. First of all, girl, make sure you moisturize your hair. Like, I know I didn't show that at the beginning, but I moisturize the hair. Make sure it's super moisturized, and I added the Cantu leave-in conditioner in then just to make sure that the hair is well fluffed when you're fluffing it out. You see how I'm doing it, stretching the whole thing out. And you just keep connecting it to keep connecting them round till you're done with the whole thingy. And I decided to do this style because I don't want to have like a middle parting. I just want something different for my daughter. I feel like middle parting are not just her style. I don't know if it's me because it's not my style. This parting is really really perfect, like really perfect for her style. And we're just going through it, having the nice, keep doing that, keep doing it, keep doing it until you get to the end of the braid. So when it comes to the beading, I I think I usually don't use these hair extensions when it comes to braid Chima's hair. I don't use attachment. I usually use the Kima. What's it called again? The uh, curly hair. I don't know, but it's Afro hair that's almost like her natural hair and super super nice to work with. That's what I usually use, but obviously I couldn't. I don't have any at home, so your girl had to use whatever she used. I just put in the beads, secure with the rubber bands, and that voila, we have a nice looking hair. Oh, I have nice looking well placed beads. So we did it on both sides, and then after that your girl went ahead and do the edges of the hair, and my daughter is looking so so glammed, like girl. Don't tell me Chima is not looking so sweet. I mean, I love when I do Chima's hair. It always make me so 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 happy because she always looks so beautiful, beautiful. I would say this: a woman's crown is her hair. So when you take care of it, you see the beauty of it. So right here, I'm just trying to make sure that all her hair is well moisturized, and I'm using this. I can't remember the name, girl, guys. I would definitely have to put down the name in the description box so you can just go get it. It's super nice and moisturizing the hair. It's nice for hair growth. It's nice for everything. I use it for my scalp if I'm having itchy scalp, and it just helps to just reduce the itchiness on myself, not on my daughter, because she doesn't have any dandruff. I think I have a dry scalp, so it's really really nice. I use it on her and it's heavenly, just so good. Yeah, yo. We weren't able to get, would I say, a very good video of her, um, running around with the hair or showing you guys whatever. But at the end of the day, we were able to catch one or two things together for you. So you just enjoy the end product and all that stuff. I love yours. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have watched this video up to this point, you are our real MVP, and we love you so much. And new hairstyles will be coming your way. Also, I own another channel called Beauty Blends by Grace. That channel is only for makeup. All you'll be seeing here in this channel now is just the hairstyle and all that stuff. You'll not be seeing Grace's hair, makeup here. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to our new channel. Yeah, if you're interested in the makeup, that's where you're gonna see all my work. Every trick and tricks is right there. And if you are in Dallas, Texas, and you need makeup, your girl is ready. Follow us on our IG pages, GraceWorld_beauty, and also Chino and Chima. Yeah, you're going to see out there. Thank you so much for watching. We love you, and see you next time in the next tutorial. Bye. Mwah!